Welcome to Technology Services Ivanti Staff User Guide. From the Technology Services webpage, click on Need IT Support. This will bring you to our support page, which will allow you to use our Ivanti portal. When you log a call in Ivanti, you will have to make sure you choose the right option. If your call is in relation to Wi-Fi connectivity issues, printer issues, email issues, application issues, or laptop issues, please raise an IT incident ticket. This can be done by clicking on the red icon labelled Log an Incident. If your call is in relation to requesting access to specific software, classroom technology, or system access, please raise a service request. This can be done by clicking on the green icon labelled Log a Service Request. If you're working on site or on campus and you click on either icon, it will directly bring you through to the Ivanti user portal. If you are working from home and raising a call, you may be asked to sign into your TU Dublin account. First, we will demonstrate how to log an IT incident ticket. We need to log our staff location, the current room the incident has happened, a contactable number for the requestee, which is usually your staff Teams number, a summary of the issue, and a brief description. You can also attach screenshots, which will greatly help. We will now demonstrate how to log a service request. The service catalog window will pop up. You can search for which request you would like to make, or you can scroll through the most popular items requested. If you're still not sure, you can log a general service request. You'll be asked to fill out your staff location and room, your contact number, which again is your assigned Teams number, a summary and details of what would you like to request. You can also provide screenshots, which again helps greatly. If you would like to check on the status of any tickets you have made, click on the home icon at the top left and then the My Items tab in the middle of the screen. This will show you all incidents and requests logged from your account, as well as the current status.